Hi, this is Anton from Hello Clerk. In Hello Clerk we do financial apps for Atlassian Jira. In this video I want to show how to create Xero invoices from Jira time in Clerk. The Clerk Invoices app could be connected to Xero. This integration allows exporting invoices with time reports to Xero. Let's see how that works in the app. To connect Clerk and Xero, we need to go to Clerk Settings, Integrations, and click Connect Xero. We need to confirm the connection. And that's it. Now all invoices created for Xero clients will be automatically sent to Xero. If we want to export them manually, we can uncheck this option. Let's open Clients tab. We can see all our Xero clients here in this list. And we can create invoices and invoice templates for Xero clients the same way as we do for local Clerk clients. Now let's create the invoice for this Xero client. Let's do this manually. I have already added two time-based lines with these time filters and have imported time from Jira. So now we can save the invoice. Since automatic synchronization is enabled, this invoice is already sent to Xero. If we have disabled this option, we can export invoice to Xero using this menu item. Let's go to Xero and check the invoice that we have just exported. We see two lines with hours imported from Jira, and time reports are attached as PDF files. If we don't want time reports to be attached, we can disable this option in Clerk. We also can use the Invoice Generator to create multiple invoices with a few clicks. And if automatic synchronization is on, these invoices will be automatically sent to Xero. You can watch more videos about Xero integration features in our Help Center. Thanks for watching this video. Let me know if you will have any questions. And try our apps for free in the Atlassian marketplace.